This spot is cool, man. Dude, sick! Alright, you guys. Gonna try a little bit of a different perspective. Put the camera down a little bit lower than I usually go. Got my brother out here with a fresh kit. Fresh kit, son! Look at the fresh kit! What's up, guys? We're gonna do some trail riding here. Ow. It hit me in my face. On the brake a little bit longer. This is some new trails I've never been down before, guys. Here at Wacomico. We're back again. It's been a while, man. Been a while. Look at this. We got a freaking sick ass little RC thing over here. Dude, like those things are rippers, man. If you guys ever been in one of those, they're tons of fun. Not fun to be behind, but those things are awesome. I hope you got a good perspective. I don't know if we're facing too far down or not, guys. So if I am, I'm sorry. Woo. That smells gross. Look at that. Look at that. Power, baby. Let's see if we can hit the same line. I should have went left further. I'm cutting through this one. Screw that. That one wasn't that bad. We can handle her. Trails are... Oh, look at this. We've never seen this. Like I said, man, new part of the trails. That's cool. It's the first time we've ever been behind one of these before, too, in the woods. So we're crawling for a second until we can get up above them in front. You should just go for it. Right there. Cut through! Cut through! Aw, he's too fast. He's a little too furious. There you go. Tree hoppers. We all love the tree hoppers here. Oh yeah, inside dive, baby. We're gonna still take this pretty big. Oh yes! I love little hills, dude. Little hill climbs, so fun. I know it probably doesn't look like a hill there, but that was a nice little hill. All of this straight down, pretty cool. So don't fall. There's even a little trail up there too. But there's so much here, man. Like, we've not even explored all of this. I'm gonna get ran over. We're good. I don't care. Wherever you want to go, dude. I guess we're just following. That's why he didn't want to go around. make sense to me now, Dr. Jones. Oh, is that a dead end? That's a pretty gnarly hill climb. I would say that way is going to be better because there's no leaves.
I was going to go that way.
I know you were.
Yeah.
Let's see it. I'm taking that way because I'm not hitting leaves.
Actually, I see the line goes up that way.
Is he going to make it? Look at that. The Rmz just powers right through. Not a problem. Man, this is a good trail right here. This is pretty fun. Hitting new spots in Wicomico, baby. Every time we come, it's always something new. So how about all my trail people? How you guys been? I know most of you don't watch the... Uh-oh, here we go. I know most of you guys don't watch the track videos who are into the trails. That looks fun. That's another hill right there, guys. This spot is cool, man. Dude, sick. Let her eat, man. Gotta get a little second gear shift going up there. There's a deer. Oh. Got too into nature. Nature almost got me. This is cool, man. I love the trails. I'm not gonna lie. Trails are probably my favorite thing to do. I love ripping a good track, but I'm not that good. Maybe once I get better, you know, it'll be more fun to me. But right now, trails, dude. I just love trails. So much always going on, so much cool stuff to see, and you never know how it's going to be when you come back. Sometimes the track, you know, it's either going to be beat or it's going to be freshly groomed, living that good life. Whoa, did you guys see that? I hope you did, because that was crazy. Uh-oh. Front tire and the back tire just both kicked out. That was cool. Hit some enduro lines. I love trees, man. Love trees. Whoa, this took us right back out to the spot where we did our turn track.